Hi, sweet ladies. This is Debbie with Fabric Fit and Sew. I am retired and I'm on a sewing journey, and I have a finished project. It is my leaf pajamas. Here they are. I will show you on the side of this video with me wearing them. This was a really good project to open up, with resewing again. And they're great pajamas. They fit me perfectly. I'm 5'1", so I'm rather petite. So they really do fit me perfectly. I even had a chance to do a little bit of embroidery. Definitely nothing very inspirational, but it was just at this point, just learning how to hoop up fabric. Also on the inside of these pajamas, I didn't want any of my cover stitch showing, so I did all of these French seams throughout. The pants, the bottoms really fit nice. The pockets are really nice. They lay beautifully flat. I have this wide, it's like 2 inches elastic waistband, and it's sewn down so it's never going to twist or anything on the inside. They even had me put in a little faux fly. See, here it is on the inside. But a faux fly with a little button. I don't know if that's all that necessary. I do really though like I do like the pockets. On the bottom there is a cuff. You can kind of see the cuff there, and there's even a cuff on the sleeve. So I even tried to put a slit right here towards the bottom, but I really didn't have to do that. I think I opened up with a video of me doing some hand sewing. So I was actually hand sewing down some of the hems, that kind of thing. I should step back here. Hand sewing down the hems and that kind of thing, but that was totally unnecessary. Of course, I could have done this all by hand or by sewing machine, but it was just a good way to get myself back into sewing. And sometimes I like to sit upstairs by my window instead of always be down in the basement. I also put a little tag in the back. I like to do that sometimes just so that I can, figure out which one, because it all kind of looks the same, but definitely this is the back. So it was really great to open up my sewing journey with something super simple like this, make it fit me in the length, kind of get all that adjustments, back. The one thing I would say about this pair of pajamas, however, the legs are super wide, and when I show them a video of me wearing them, you'll see how wide the legs really are. And so because of that, it is rather fabric hungry. This took every bit 5 yards, maybe even like a 5 yards and a quarter to get completely cut out right. If I had any kind of a pattern, where I wanted to line up a repeat or something, forget it. It would just, don't do that with these jammies. Just keep it simple, because it would just take way too much fabric. But so I do like the cut of them though, because they're modern, they're wide-legged, very nice for summer because they flow and they're not warm or anything like that. And I can get up in the morning, and I can have my coffee and lounge in them. I'm an up early person. Many times I'm up at 4:30, maybe even 5, somewhere in there. So I will sit around and have my devotional time, and coffee and all that kind of stuff. And this is just the perfect thing to be wearing. I will be making some more, even though it's a bit fabric hungry. I do have one other pattern though that I want to check out. I think it's actually a simplicity pattern. And I'm going to check that one out as well, because I definitely wear PJs more in the winter months here in Wisconsin. Our winters seem to be so much longer, you know, than our summertime. And it doesn't, you know how it is, it doesn't even get sun until 8 in the morning at least in the winter. So I'm hanging out in my PJs a lot more. Anyway, this is my first done project from that whole list of project 1 and project 2 videos. This is my first, and by the time you see this, I have quite a few other projects that were in those videos on almost done completely, and I'll be showing you that. Also, true to us sewists, I've been adding on even more projects. I don't know, I can't help myself. I have so many thoughts for this channel, and I kind of wanted to do a Christmas in July videos. I don't know if I can pull that off right now because I should have probably started this a long time ago. Maybe I'll get one video in there. I do intend on sewing for the house, home deck, and all that kind of stuff. It's not going to just be about clothes. I have many things that I like to sew. I think that will fit into this channel, and also embroider, and that's coming up as well. I'm waiting on a few more things that I had to order to come in, you know, in the mail, and I will be starting a whole playlist of me on my embroidery journey. So anyway, thank you so much for everybody who has subscribed. I'm a firm believer that we are to be grateful for everything in small and in the infancy, as well as when we grow and learn and you know, gain more followers, more subscribers. So I am very thankful right now for all of you who have commented. I am very grateful for all of you that have subscribed to this channel in its just baby form. I hope I can keep up with the uploads every Wednesday, and I hope coming here soon I will actually be able to upload 2 videos a week. I have some plans for that as well. Anyway, the last 2 videos were rather kind of long, and I don't want this one to be carried out too much longer. So once again, thank you so much, and thank you for subscribing, and we'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.